Hey guys, it's Legit Scar, and we have a construction site here. I'm gonna get on the top of it and jump off into the sand. What?
You got in trouble.
Who did? Yeah, it's already on video. Here, who wants to hold it first? Okay.
Okay, just sit. Get the nose.
Record me going up. No, get onto the hill.
Just sit right here. So.
Wait, hold my phone.
Dude, you're so lucky you made that across.
He's ready for some fun. Record me go.
Dude, just sit right there. Jerry, you could zoom it in. You see the arrow? Yeah, press that in. Dude, walk up to the hill behind that. Dude, walk up to the bathhouse thing. Dude, he's getting his dad. Brandon, just sit right here, guys, for a while. I zoomed in on him. He was looking at me, though. I'm gonna go find my phone.
Did I just watch it? It didn't hurt that bad.
Wait, where'd you
It's
go?
fun.
Hey, wait, come over here. Sit right here. This is a cool bed.
It didn't hurt. Like, it happened earlier. I don't think it happened right there, though.
I threw candy around here. Wait.
What?
Just sit here and wait until see if his dad comes out. And no, it only comes
Wait!
out Tuesdays. No, it's just a truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Ice cream truck. Who has money?
Me.
Okay, let's
Sure,
go.
go get it, because I can't run. Hey.
I'm gonna record it coming. I'm gonna record us getting ice cream.
Like, stick it like in the back of your shirt, like right here. You can just watch it coming. No, how about I'll stand somewhere watching it, and then whenever you guys will buy ice cream for me, I'll just seriously just sit behind that thing and just watch it like this.
Okay. Here. Just sit behind that.
Tell them what's gonna happen.
Okay. Oh, I see it. It's over by Justin's house. Hurry. I can catch a bug. Hey, bug. Here, come here. Oh, there.
See
Look
it
at
on
it.
the camera?
Yeah. Oh my God. I can catch it. No, I can catch it with my bare hand. Where is it? I don't know.
Hurry up.
It's over by John's now.
I'll go because they take a long time. If it comes down here, would you ask them to wait?
Yeah, we will.
Because I know
They're
she
nice.
will. Yeah. You remember? Were you here when Lee used to bring her son?
When who?
Lee used to bring her son. He was
No.
cool.
Yeah, it's about John's. Oh no, it's coming past. It's over by Luke's house. See, watch, you'll see it. Right there.
Dude, let's just go down there.
tell it to
Because
wait.
it's not going to stop. We have to go. Hurry up.
Oh, it's right there. I like how it's driving slow though. What's it doing?
Yeah. It's waiting.
Okay, then they'll stop there. That's good.
Yes. Yes, here it comes.
Jared, hurry!
It's right there. Brent, go.
What?
Wait, Brent.
For what? Oh, go help him.
Wait, Brandon, go down there and ask them to wait.
No, you. Wait, what? Basket by what? It's in the basket by the cards. It's by the basket or in it? It's by the basket with the cards. I should title this the construction sand jump and
Slash ice cream.
Slash ice cream jump. Hurry! I'll tell Jeremy, come down and tell them to wait.
Wait, tell them to wait.
Yeah, I'm
If
gonna
it
be
takes forever, what if I go?
I'm gonna title this construction sand jump plus ice cream truck.
Why?
Oh, because there's ice cream.
Don't you need to video for that?
Shut up and just bring the ice cream truck down.
If he doesn't find it before they leave, we'll just let it go. We have bomb pops, I think.
Hope they have. Go get them.
Well, they come back up here.
Yo, Josh.
This is going up here.
Up here. I'm trying to bring them up here. They're coming, come on. Get the money. Right here. Great, you have the money? Okay, we're good. Where is it?
Here it's in coins, because that's all we have.
Right here.
I'm going to get one to sell our ice things.
What are you getting? That's $1.
Yeah. Because I come from my side, I have only 2 coins. Can I have like twin pop?
Oh,
What do you want? Does it have to be $1?
yeah, I know.
There's only 2 twin pop.
I'm gonna get one of these cabbages. And a twin pop. The red.
Orange twin pop.
No, red.
And a red.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, orange and red.
And a yellow.
Crybaby.
Oh, yeah, I should just dig it.
Hey, look, there's Bella. You'll find it.
Oh, guys.
Yeah.
Sorry, but we only have coins because I couldn't find any money. There's $2. Wait, there's $1.50 in quarters, and then yeah,
That's
like the
the
rest.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
All right.
You're done for your pop. Thanks.
Thank you. I love you.
We're Dewey. Wait, where's Dewey? Let's go to the construction site. Dude, these things are like, right, you want to try one of this a little bit? Oh, they're so good.
No.
They're sour. Look, someone's driving up to get it.
Okay, we're not gonna let you watch us enjoy our awesome ice cream, even though it's only $1. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you in the next episode when, I don't know. See ya. See ya.
See y'all.
Woo! Let's just go out. Whoa!